If you fumble while speaking in English and you want to learn how to speak fluently and naturally like a native speaker, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tried and tested tips that I use while learning English. So you can use these tips to improve your fluency. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. And for those who are new to my channel, a big hello. My name is Ravia Parveen. So stay tuned till the end to know all the secret to speak English fluently. First of all, I would like to say make a habit to speak in English as much as you can. I know you are busy with a lot of things. Just start speaking all of those things. Whatever you want to do today, just speak in English. In the beginning, you have to make conscious efforts, and slowly and steadily it becomes your habit. Speak at least 5 minutes. If you want to practice the present tense, then speak about your daily routine. For example, I usually wake up at 5 a.m. I usually pray. After praying, I go for walk to warm up my body, and then I exercise and so on. At the end of the day, speak about how was your day. If you learn any new lesson or anything, speak about it. If you follow these steps, if you follow these steps, your present, past, and future tense is revised. Tenses are very important to get fluency. If you do it regularly for 1 week, you will be an expert in sentence making. Second, I would say learning idiom and phrases is essential in order to speak like a native speaker. Have you experienced while watching any movie or TV show, most of the content went over your head? You know, it happens, right? In the beginning, it happened with me a lot because I didn't know idiom and phrases. And native speaker use a lot of idiom and phrases. Learning idiom and phrases wasn't my cup of tea because I am very bad at memorizing anything. So I decided to make videos on idiom and phrases that help me to learn without memorizing. When I teach someone, that content stays in my head because I have to put a lot of efforts to make someone understand those idiom and phrases in a simple and easy way. I explain it English to Hindi as well. If you want to learn idiom and phrases easily, you can check out my playlist. Link is in the I button. I have uploaded more than 100 daily use idiom and phrases short videos. For the benefit of beginners, let me tell you the main difference between idiom and phrases. An idiom is a phrase that does not have literal meaning of that does not have literal meaning that cannot understood from the meaning of its individual words. For example, it is raining cats and dog. इसका मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होना. Idiom have fixed meaning. Phrases do not have fixed meaning. Phrases, uh, phrase is a group of words which has meaning but is not complete. It is a part of the sentence. For example, Riya has to live on 1,000 rupees a week. Second example, I can live on dal and rice. In both example, live on is a phrase. Phrase do not often have fixed meaning. If you want to learn 3 uses of live on, you can check out my playlist. I have made a video on that. Last but not the least, focus on your pronunciation. Whenever you learn new words, idiom and phrases, check the pronunciation on Google. When you click on the voice icon and practice 2 3 times, pronunciation is something that can make or break your impression. I believe I believe you will speak like a native speaker if you make a habit of speaking in English, learn idiom and phrases, and focus on your pronunciation. That's all from my side. Enjoy learning.